Facebook family. This is your girl Natalie Camille, and I'm singing. I like the old stuff. I like the old stuff. I find that the music today, it's not real enough. It's not honest enough. It's not coming from the soul. It's not coming from somewhere. It's just a bunch of gimmicks, a bunch of cliches, a bunch of what's the word? Catchphrases. Just catchy phrases that you'll remember, jingles. It's just a lot of that. Nobody comes from the heart. Like, where are the Princes, the Michael Jacksons, the Alicia Keys? I mean, she's still alive. Prince is still alive. But where are they? Like, these are people that actually write from the heart, A lot of this stuff that is famous today, it's not getting recognized. And, I like the old stuff for that. Because everybody back then, like the songs, like the lyrics, I mean, whether it was raunchy or what, I mean, you can't say the lyrics weren't deep and didn't tell a story. Even R. Kelly is, I mean, he's gifted. Lyrics, my lyrics man. He's gifted. Early one Sunday morning, breakfast was on the table. Oh gosh, what was the words? Early one Sunday morning, breakfast was on the table. There was no time to eat. She said to me, boy, hurry to Sunday school. I mean, back then people were singing all kinds of stuff, whether they were in church or out. They had a song that would, thank God. And even though when times got rough, you never turned away, you're right there. And I thank you. When I felt I've had enough, you never turned away, you're right there. And I thank you. That's a different song. But, I mean, everybody had, their songs. And, Alita Adams was somebody who, she kind of went on both sides. What was her song? You can reach me by railway. You can reach me by railway. I don't care how you get here. Just get here if you can. But that's a love song, right? No? But I mean, these lyrics, these songs had, these songs were deep. They were meaningful. I think the era of meaningful music ended in the 90s, late 90s. I believe it ended then. The young people today, they don't know that stuff. They don't know some of this music that they're playing. I'm hearing some of the songs. I'm like, oh, I know that song. And I'm like, how come it sounds like that? It's a remix of a song that came out in 2000, early 2000. A remix of a song that came out in the 90s. Is it that? I mean, it's in my generation, my time. So why are you remixing songs that are from my time? It's kind of weird. And then you hear the remix and you're like, the original sounds way better. As I said, it's a bunch of gimmicks, a bunch of catchphrases, a bunch of, jingle jangle and, just foolishness nowadays. Yeah.